The meaning of plants, Lantana. In some cultures, this plant symbolises rigour and sharpness. Lantanas are known by many different names around the world, including yellow sage, red sage and wild sage, even though it has nothing to do with the sage family. Coronitas, shrub verbena, cantute, lantana weed, tickberry and gu fool in India. This plant is native to South and Central America and performs so well in warm climates that it is considered an invasive weed in many countries around the world. Dutch explorers brought the plant out of the Americas in the 1600s, where it was hybridised in glass houses in Holland and quickly spread throughout Europe and the rest of the world. Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus named the plant Lantana in his 1753 book Species Plantarum. In Taiping, Malaysia, they make toothbrushes from the stems of lantana. This plant is the national flower of the Dutch Caribbean island of Sint Maarten, and a bouquet of lantana flowers also features on the national flag. In Palm Beach County, Florida, there is a town called Lantana, which was founded by the Lyman family when they arrived there in 1888. And noticing how the lantana plant grew in profusion in the area, named the post office they owned Lantana Point, and also their family-owned oyster company, the Lantana Fish Company. Thank you for watching this video about the meaning of lantana. For videos about the meaning of other plants, why not check out the playlist on screen now.